Affiliate marketing and the best advice on it. In the world of affiliate marketing, there are plenty of great resources available to both new and experienced marketers alike. There are many programs, e-guides, books, videos, and other resources for information. This set of tips contains some of the best advice for helping a good affiliate marketer become a great affiliate marketer. Don't get lazy about taking advantage of new programs and trends. Check and see the latest updates of your affiliate programs. There are new ads and tools constantly being added, to increase usability and visual appeals. Even small changes like keeping your site trendy, can have a large effect on your readers. Give visitors many different options for connecting to your affiliate marketing through social media networks. In this day and age, people often choose to surf whichever portal is most convenient to them at the moment. If they are already posting on one source, they will often stay on that same source for more information. Be available on all of the social media sites in order to always be easily accessible to visitors. To address your audience directly, you should take time to get to know them and understand their problems. Once you have identified their main concerns, you can propose a solution that includes buying the products you want to sell. Remain genuine and honest in addressing these issues that are important to your audience. Affiliate marketing is not just for people who know how to build websites. If you can write well, know how to promote products in a fun, interesting way and like to make extra money, then affiliate marketing can help you when you really need it. All you need to do is get permission from the company that you are interested in to sell their product. After watching these tips, you can begin to understand what it takes to become a great affiliate marketer. There is a lot of information to be had, and you need to know how to apply it. With this in mind, you can refine your own strategy and goals and make major profits from your marketing efforts. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.